I've been working on mowing this. I wanted to get it nice and cleaned up because, as you can see, I'm working on the raised bed garden area and I'm mowing it so that I can bring the Airstream camper over here and park it, and it'll have a nice clean yard. And I'm just going to keep working on all this until all this is just looking good. And also this back here eventually. I'm not going to mow this part today. I'll do this tomorrow or the next day. Just get in there and knock all that down, because I want to do some gardening in this area as well. And I was watching on a few other YouTube channels on market gardens, how some of these guys have been putting in their gardens, and I really like the way they're doing them. So I think I'm going to try some of that here, and also just clean it up, do a little landscaping, make it look nice, make it look appealing, not like a big mess like this, but appealing, so that everything looks tidy and in its place, so that when we come back out and do more videos, then it'll be more interesting. It won't just be a bunch of mosquitoes, bugs, and tall grass. It'll be interesting things to watch. So anyway, that's what I'm thinking about doing. And over here, you see that line of as I'm using the lawnmower and using the bagger thing, it acts like a vacuum cleaner and it blows it all in there. And then I come in and I dump it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a few long beds. And I'm not quite sure. This is an experiment. But that's just going to be my first little layer of stuff to go down. And I'm going to do several beds out back and forth this way, long beds. And I'm thinking I may have brought this one out a little too far, but I don't know, maybe not, because, well, yeah, maybe a little bit, I don't know. But anyway, that's my entrance into the back 40 area, and the land way back there. Vehicles have to come through here. But this is even with that, so maybe, yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it works out. But I'm thinking of doing some long beds. Of course, from here going to the gate side of the gate there, they're going to get incrementally shorter, because this is where the gate comes in and there's a turn that comes around, so the vehicles and the trailers, campers or whatever, can come in and make that turn and then go down that way. But if it doesn't look right, I'll just pull it all back out and throw it in the compost pile. Well, we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. And anyway, I got a good start on it. I had to get it mowed down. I'm going to have to get all this mowed in this area too, because it's growing up around it. Get it mowed down. I'm going to take some cardboard and lay it down somewhere, and go ahead and put some composted cow manure, composted humus, and then compost with manure mixture, and kind of do an even mixture of all that in a raised bed. And I'm going to have a variety of different types of raised beds here to be able to, have us a variety of a garden. All right. Wish me luck.